Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to sign up for GetResponse, one of the most popular email marketing tools out there. Whether you're looking to grow your email list or automate your campaigns, GetResponse has got you covered. We'll be walking you through the process step by step so that you can get started with GetResponse in no time. Step 1. Go to the GetResponse website. The first thing you need to do is visit the GetResponse website. You can either type getresponse.com in your web browser or simply click on the link in the description below. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to explore the website and learn more about the features and benefits of GetResponse. Step 2. Click on Sign Up Free. When you're ready to sign up, click on the Sign Up Free button at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the sign up page where you'll begin the process of creating your GetResponse account. Step 3. Enter your email and password on the sign up page. You'll be asked to enter your email address and a password. Make sure you use a strong password to protect your account. If you already have an account with GetResponse, you can sign in instead of signing up for a new account. Step 4. Choose your plan. Next, you'll need to choose your plan. GetResponse offers 4 different plans, each with different features and pricing. These plans include Basic, Plus, Professional, and Max. Each plan comes with a different set of features, such as landing pages, webinars, and automation workflows. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and budget. Step 5. Enter your billing information. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll be asked to enter your billing information. This includes your name, address, and payment details. GetResponse accepts a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and wire transfer. If you're signing up for a free trial, you won't need to enter your billing information yet. Step 6. Review and confirm your order. Before you finalize your order, make sure to review all the details and confirm that everything is correct. This includes your plan, pricing, and billing information. Take the time to read through the terms and conditions of the service, so you know what you're agreeing to. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm Order button to complete the sign-up process. Step 7. Set up your account. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up for GetResponse. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can start creating your first email campaign, set up automation workflows, and start growing your email list. GetResponse provides a variety of resources and tutorials to help you get started, so take advantage of these resources to make the most of your account. And there you have it, folks. That's how you sign up for GetResponse in just 7 easy steps. We hope you found this video helpful. Take advantage of a GetResponse free trial by using a link in description below this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.